Well, it turns out I'm not.
But I was able to stop the internal bleeding.
Doctor, this has happened 7 times in the last month. Peter rolls over in his sleep and almost kills me.
I see. Well, that sucks.
Look, I don't do it on purpose.
Well, looks like you got a handle on it then.
No, we don't. He practically smothers me every night.
Well, are you hogging the blankets?
No.
Probably hogging blankets.
And if he's not smothering me, he's keeping me up all night writing with that giant plume of his.
Dearest Augustine, I do hope this latest damp has not aggravated your gray lung. Dip, 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 dip. Matters stateside have taken a tragic turn as this year's gourd crop has fallen prey to a rather unexpected infestation of salt marsh cutworms. Dip, 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 dip.
Peter, it's 4 in the morning. Come to bed.
Marital concerns continue to bedevil me.